Hello, beautiful people. This video I'm going to show you how I am creating these two custom orders. The orders were to make ocean waves on a pedestal, and there are two different sizes. So I will create, the video is for the most part how I create this one, the larger version of the sculpture, and at the end of the video I'm going to reveal the second project images as well, and I will put some comments and sometimes notes in the explanation of what I am doing. Other than that, please watch to the end and please leave me comments if you have any questions. So right now I'm creating the mold. I'm using foil to create the pedestal as so. Just the order was to create certain sizes, and so I create a separate molds for both sizes. And you see, as you can see, I'm measuring it because it was a particular order, and then I connect them with just a postal tape. And then in the middle I will place the foil as well, and then after I place the foil I will put the plastic so I can disassemble it easily and mold it. So I measured the width of the wave, first wave, and I just placed a few sheets of foil on top of each other. I think it's like 5 or 6 sheets of foil, and then I cut out the wave and create the shape. Now I mix about 20 ounces of resin and I pour it into cups, tinted them with different inks. You can use any colors that you're liking. I'm using blue, emerald green and white for waves, for the foamy waves, and the clear, and it's just like playing around to create different textures and lines with a wooden stick. So I'm here pouring the white for the foam to resemble foam, and then I will just a little bit of clear in between blue and white, but you can do whatever you want. I'm trying to recreate wave kind of shape. And after, I'll just mix them as so. So these two large cups of resin I'm preparing for the second project, which is on another table. It's off camera. And I will show you the images at the end of the video, but the process is just the same.